Good morning, everybody. I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astronomy Guru. Welcome all of you today on 5th December 2022. In this episode, we will discuss about Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So, if we see the Asian markets are currently showing good upward move because the China is removing some of its COVID restrictions, and which is a very positive sign for the Chinese, Hong Kong, as well as for the overall global economy. And also things which should be kept under observations are: first is today the Gujarat state election final phase will be there, and exit polls will start coming from the evening, and Gujarat state result will be on Thursday, which will be very important for the next few trading days. And also RBI policy is also scheduled this week, and it will also have an impact on the Indian stock markets. And since if we see the Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex, these are at their all-time highs, and any slight negative news can lead to a good amount of profit booking in the stock market. Also important concern about the crude oil, that the European Union, 7 countries along with the Australia have put a upper limit for the crude oil at $60 per barrel, but Putin, the Russian president, is not ready for this price limit on the Russian crude oil. Also, the OPEC Plus is planning to restrict their production, which is leading to the positive move in the crude oil. And also, if we consider the FIs and DIs data for the Friday session, then we can see that both FIs and DIs both were net buyers, and in fact FIs net bought by more than 5,000 crores in a single day on Friday. So the overall sentiment of the market is still positive. All eyes will be on the Gujarat state election result as well as on the RBI policy outcome. Although the impact of these two major events can be for around a week, but the overall sentiment for the medium term perspective of the market is still positive. And if some profit booking will be seen due to these two events, then that will be the opportunity to go for fresh investment for the medium to long term perspective. You can keep your eyes on stocks like Jayashree Tea and Bandhan Bank for the next 1 to 2 trading months. And that's all for the today's episode. You should go through a standard disclaimer also, that all these information, analysis and views are purely personal and only for research, training and educational purposes. We will not be responsible for any profits or loss. If in case you go to any trade, you should consult your personal financial advisor and your personal wisdom. So that's all for today's episode. I hope you liked our analysis.